I'm going to do a quick bike check, nothing else to do really. Saracen cr2 2013 edition, and to be honest it's alright, apart if I need to straighten the wheel all the time, because Saracen use cheap parts. Fuck's sake man, cheapest banjo alloy, whatever the hell it's called, tensioners. As you can see, Odyssey plastic pedals because the original ones when it snapped. Not a clue about the crank arms. Slow 25 tooth sprocket, half length heavy duty chain for Halfords, just standard Saracen wheels and front tyre, Moto G back tyre. If you see from my other video, like as I said, it's a Moto G tyre. Saracen seat, Saracen amplitude seat. You can see about the fucking elbow. It's a dodgy paintwork to be honest. It's like blues, some light screen and some other. No, this one's Saracen. Tech Pro brake levers. I'm just guessing they're Tech Pro brake discs. Imperial headset. FSA. No, not Imperial headset. Imperial Spaces FSA hang. Saracen seat. Where is it? A Saracen. What's it? What side is it? I'm actually blind. Saracen XCR forks. Suspension. It's a semi-rigid, but I want to get new forks and change it so it's all rigid. I love riding rigid bikes. 3-piece crank as you can see. 26 inch by 2.3, that's a brake cables, just standard Saracen grips. I had to change the pedals in that because as I said they snapped. So the pedal, the crank arms and the sprocket are all off my BMX, stereo treble 2013 edition, no not 2013, 2011 edition, 2011 edition copper. It's so sick, but right now that's got back wheel taken apart because it lost bearings, so I've got bearings off my file there. I'll test it, I'll hopefully get them in. If not, I'll order up a set. That's about it. To be honest, I don't care what else to say. I care next to nothing about the bike. I just got it and rid it. It's, to be honest, dodgy. But it's a good frame and all that, and it's a sturdy bike. But if you get it, be careful with the tensioners because they break dead quickly.
Rate the forks.
What?
Rate the forks. How good are they?
Fuck knows. 8, 7, 8. Because like I don't like suspension, I can't stand it. Like for this, I'd prefer to have just rigid forks. I want rigid forks. Like I prefer to have a set of rigid. I just love them, but it's between that or a DMR, and DMR, to be fair, you're paying for the name, not the quality. Part of mine bought a DMR frame for like £200 and he spent like £750 on just parts for it. But aye, that's been a quick bike check. Whenever I can there I'll do a better bike check, so like, comment, subscribe, catch you all after.